Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wildan Shah. I'm with my friend Shahrir. Will present to you our lecturer Miss Fatina Akila binti Abdul Razak the article review from three local cases and three international cases.
Hi, my name is Shahrir bin Muhammad Yunus.
So for the first article review, the title is the No Free Rider for Harimau Wanabes. So it means that local player feel intimidated by the arrival of the naturalized player. So this is one of the purposeful intimidations by management. Nowadays there are a lot of naturalized players to play for Harimau Malaya. So the local players feel intimidated by this thing. However, as being stated, the FA of Malaysia (FAM) has taken great care in refining their birth players and those related to their ancestors with Malaysia for the past few years. The national body also has found a football player who just wants a Malaysian passport. In my opinion, FAM should not give the advantage to the naturalized players over the local players. As such, it will be an intimidation to local players. As an example, fans have been urging FAM to bring the naturalized players to play in the Harimau Malaya team. Well, we have to look at the performance of the players. If not, this will be worse for local players in the future. Later on, local players will be lose of motivation to continue the playing the football and to bring the Harimau Malaya the victory. In fact, we must rely more on the abilities of the athletes in our country. If it's not good, we dress well. When it's good, let's do our best. So the motivation of the players is in our country should be taken care of, not set aside, not put aside. So if not our athletes who take care of their own country well, who else? And then it is not wrong to take players from the outside, but it must be ensured that our athletes is the majority and not the minority. So with the good management, the Harimau Malaya will be the Harimau Malaya team will be the best. Alright, so we move to the next article. So the title is the independent shuttlers and the badminton player feel the pinch. So feel the pressure. So the badminton players feel the pressure. As the article said, the badminton players feel the pressure because it is difficult to become an independent player without help from the top, help from the association. So in other words, their position is unstable and it's difficult to even enter the World Series tournament. So and now a new problem arise with the pandemic coronavirus COVID-19. So every person need to take care of themselves, need to stay at home, stay safe, and all outdoor sport activities are not allowed. So athletes should practice on their own. So this has a little effect on athletes who want to enter a major world class tournament. So it because the equipment from them to practice is too incomplete. So some may not be able to practice at home because the space around the home is too limited. So nowadays, in my opinion, nowadays there are many players who have to be removed from the national squad in Badminton Association of Malaysia (BAM). So and their status has changed to professional players from national players changed to professional players. Something like this has happened in the badminton world of our country. So when these things happens, the players need to find their own sponsorship, sign up in tournament and fee by themselves. But there is has limit which for those who are in BAM only can join the Superior World Series. Okay, so the next article is the title said it Scrum for sponsorship. So this is we look at to the rugby players. So as being stated, The sponsorship has always been a difficult topic in rugby sports, and the COVID-19 pandemic has only made things harder for those who seeking support. However, Rugby Malaysia (MR) still hopes to continue the negotiation with potential sponsors after the outbreak of the pandemic COVID-19. So, in my opinion, in the world of rugby sports, Malaysia is considered as amateur. So most rugby athletes in Malaysia were a part-time athlete. So they are playing rugby, but at the same time, they were committed. They were committed to other jobs as they had to support themselves. Then there are players who have stopped the rugby sport to being soldiers. So they behave that way because of insufficient sponsorship. So Malaysian rugby athletes do not earn such salaries with the national squad. And now the Canterbury brand is no longer providing sponsorship for our rugby athletes in Malaysia. So money is running out. This may slightly diminish the motivation and undermine the players' ability to continue the rugby sport, as it is one of the intimidation to the athlete.
Okay, next for the next article review is about Rossi closing in on SRT, which is the Malaysian team base Sepang Racing team. So currently is he in the Yamaha MotoGP team, which is sponsored by Monster Energy, but he already 41 years old, and Yamaha want to give someone younger to take over his place in the factory team. But what is they're talking about is Rossi actually not decided yet. Either he want to go to the SRT team or still want to stay in the Yamaha team. But he said that he will decide before the next season start, which is I think in December, later this year, because he cannot decide yearly because of the pandemic issue that currently happen across around the world, which is COVID-19, or we can say that coronavirus. So he decided to make a decision after this season finish, because he never have a race, even a race in this year. So for the discussion is the intimidation. We can see that the big name, the like Rossi, Marc Marquez, and Dorna, which is the boss of the MotoGP World Championship, is influenced to make inferior rider to end their career. Why? Because as we can see, like Hafiz Syahrin, he actually need to move out or need to end his career in MotoGP because of Dorna influence, and the MotoGP KTM factory boss wanted the European to take over his spot in the team. Why? Because the first one is they need their people, because they are from Europe and they want someone from Europe to handle this MotoGP. And like Marc Marquez, we can see that his younger brother are being teammate with him this year because of his brother Marc Marquez, which is the current world champion, influence to get his brother to be in the team. While in Rossi's story, he easily can make any decision by full support, which is he can go to SRT in any time because of his name. Okay, for the fifth article review is Ozil citing racism quits Germany side after World Cup debacle. Okay, so for in this article, you can see that Ozil actually going to meet president of Turkey because of their respect before the re-election, but it is not well accepted by the Germany fans and the politician. Then they are throwing a harsh word and racism towards him because of what he did to make the president of Turkey. Actually, he made the president of Turkey just for their respect and because of his big name, so that people will accept the multicultural in that country and also in his country. But it suddenly turned out different. We can see that the fans and the politician is across the privacy that where they go and attack his family also, not just him but also his family. Okay, for discussion, the intimidation occur when he make a decision to quit the national team. Why? Because of they are already cross the privacy part and Ozil cannot stand anymore. But the sportsmanship that Ozil show to the world, that he still play for the professional football, where he play for clubs in England, Arsenal, for playing in the one of the best league in the world. Okay, for the last article review is about big boy pants for All Blacks after stinging England defeat. So here we can say that All Black team is the big dominant team in the world rugby. So here, but they are still defeated by the England team in the semi-final Rugby World Cup 2019 in Japan last year. So the journalist has asked the coach, the head coach Hansen, the All Black player have no hungrier anymore to win the game or not, but the head coach has depends their players and said that it is rude or it's not good to say that their player have no hungry to win the game, but actually their player have give their best to win the game. We can see that after their defeat, they are come back to win the game to bring back the bronze medal. So in this in the discussion, we can say that intimidation said that when the athlete feel that they already intimidate the rival, they feel they have an advantage to win the game. But in this case, we can see that the result is turned out to be different, where they defeat to England. But for the sportsmanship, they show their best, which is they are still motivated and have a good spirit, and later they won the match that made them bring bronze to New Zealand.